Yeah, I can't wait to show you the photos of the before and after on this house. Leaving over here in Westminster, and just finished with the photos on this house, and just can't believe what it's turned into. Sellers were asking us, hey, we need to get as much money out of this property as possible. So we said, okay, I have my top 5 things that I do on any and every house that I can, and let's do it. So check out the before and after, and throw a comment or a like. Let me know what you think about the colors, about the styling, the staging, and all that we did on this before and after. We're pretty pleased, and hope you are too. I just had to share this house that we just finished working on, doing our best to get our sellers the most money possible for the least amount invested. And I will tell you, wow, that I can't get the key to. Dang it, I'll have to do this video again. I can't wait to show you the photos. You're gonna see